What's up, y'all? I just got back from work. Actually went to work like with my makeup like this because we had like a Halloween talent show and then the teachers could like dress up and stuff. But anyways, this video is not about the look that I did. I recreated it last year, but I feel like this year it's a lot better because I don't look hello, why are you not focusing? I don't look like super crazy, and I think it came out pretty nice. I just added like gold freckles and then I did like purple eyeshadow here too, but hers is like super cute. So I entered this giveaway on Twitter from NYX, and then I ended up getting selected. It's their Wonderland After Dark PR box, and then we're gonna unbox it because I never do my makeup anymore since I'm like super busy with school and work. Kind of matches my makeup because it's like purple and black, and then my makeup's like purple. Okay, so this, oh my gosh, this is, oh, here's the card. So this is the Wonderland After Dark thing. Shout out to NYX, thank you so much. There's actually some really cool stuff in here. It has a list, but we're just gonna go through it like whatever. Okay, so we do have this like super sick box, and you can kind of see these eyes right here, but see, it's so cool. And then the design right here is also black light. It's kind of like the front. So, oh god, oh my god. So, let's get into what's inside this box. So we actually have these 3 lip glosses that are part of their Wonderland After Dark collection. And this one is Violent Violet. And oops, it didn't focus for that one, sorry. And this one is Floral Space. Super cute and pink. Oh my god. I can't do the whole hand thing and like focus, whatever. And then this one is Lilac Vibes. And the really cool thing about these lip glosses is, you'll see. And then also in this box we have this super sick, we have this super sick mirror that says NYX Professional Cosmetics. Let me focus it. Look, it's so cool. And then look at this design on it. Yeah, so they gave me this cool mirror inside this PR package. And then, so this is pretty sick, and then we're gonna open it. I don't want to ruin it. And it has all these goodies in here. And that's how they packaged it. They packaged it really cute, and there isn't like an unnecessary like puzzle thing, you know what I'm talking about? Anyways, I'm gonna take out my lipstick and then we're gonna go through the lip glosses first. They're super cool. Alright, we're back. To tell you the truth, I reapplied this lipstick right before I started recording this video, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Hello? Always, please. So, we're taking off my lipstick. I hope all of it's gone. Okay. So, we're just gonna, we're just gonna kind of get the leftover off. And then we're actually just gonna use this mirror to apply these. So I'm gonna try the pink one first just because it is like one of my favorite colors. And then this is what it looks like in like my room light. I don't have like a super fancy ring light, but let me turn off the light and then show you. That was the Floral Space lip gloss. Super sick. Honestly, I think I might wear it to Millennium. The nice thing about this lip gloss is that it came off like really easily with the wipe. Like it's not like resisting the wipe, you know what I mean? So anyways, alright, so we're gonna remove this one now. There's like lint on my lips. Okay, and the last one we're going to do is the Violent Violet. And this one's pretty cool. Oh, it's almost like blue. I feel like these could work really well for your eyes too. You can still see the pink outline from my lipstick, but that's totally fine. It's fine. I kind of look like that one SpongeBob episode where he's like with his lipstick. But honestly, I feel like this color I could use during like a festival or something. Okay, so since we went through their Wonderland After Dark specific lip glosses, now we're gonna go through the bag that they sent me, item by item. Oh, oh my gosh. Alright, this is their matte setting spray. For me personally, I love matte skin. It just looks a lot better on me because I get really oily throughout the day and I don't really like that. Like, I actually had like a more purple eyeshadow right here, but I'm pretty sure I just perspired all of it off. So the next thing that they sent me in this thing was this box, I mean, was their Studio Finishing Powder. Okay, sorry, it's, oh, it focused. I have to sneeze, sorry. I'm excited to try this. The next time I actually go out and do my makeup, I will put it to the test if there's no white. So the next thing that they sent me was their pore filler. Oh, okay, it almost focused, but they sent me their pore filler. I've tried NYX's foundation primer, but I don't remember it being in this bottle. I think it was in a black bottle. I don't remember what it's called, but from what I remember, I really liked it because that was when I was buying makeup with my high school allowance. But I'm in my 5th year of college now, so whatever. I work, kinda. Excuse me. So the next things that they sent me, they actually go together. They sent me their glitter primer base, and they actually sent me some glitters. I've been actually meaning to try NYX glitters. I bought a lot of glitters from, I think, superglitters.com, and I really like them because they're super fine. But I actually use I have 2 bottles of this in my glitter container because I found that it works really well for me. And this glitter, I'm really excited. I love silver glitter. I think for me it works a little bit better with other colors. Not to say that like gold doesn't work with me, but I feel like silver can be used like with the entire rainbow but on my face, but then gold is just kind of whatever. Okay. I don't know why it keeps like focusing on that thing. Anyway, the next 2 things that they sent me are their white liquid liner and their epic ink liner. And I've been actually meaning to try a white liquid liner. I gave up on it for a few years just because like it wasn't working out for me. Like, I don't know, the type that I got, because it wasn't a brush like this one. It was kind of like this pen style, and it didn't work for me. It dried out really fast. So I'm excited to try this, hopefully for another Halloween look because it's still October. And this epic ink liner, I am so thankful that they sent me one of these because I won't have to buy it for the next time I run out of eyeliner, because I actually use this brand when I do my makeup regularly. And honestly, this one works really well for me. You just need to like put some more setting spray on it and you're good to go. You won't look like a raccoon at the end of the day, or at least I don't. And the last thing that they sent me was their On the Rise Volume Lift Mascara. That's what it says on this right here. Alright, well, I scratch my leg. So the last thing that they sent me in the box is this. Oh, why does it keep focusing on my tapestry? That's so annoying. Is this Vichy Mineral 89, and it says it's a fortifying and hydrating daily skin booster. It has hyaluronic acid and it has 15 mineral rich water, whatever that means. And it says that it can be used on your face, eyes, and lips. I'm pretty sure you can't use this in your eyeballs. It means like on your like super sensitive skin around here, and then maybe on your eyelids, like up here. I don't know. But I'm excited to use this. Hopefully I'm not allergic to it. It says that it's allergy tested, but my skin is like sometimes sensitive to like what I use, like clay and gel masks. My skin is fine, you know, but then when I use sheet masks, I don't know why, but my skin gets really irritated. Usually my forehead is the first to get like super scabbed up from using a sheet mask. So I hope this works, and then if I really like it, then I can start incorporating it into my skincare routine, probably at night, because I just wake up and wash my face so Cetaphil in the morning, and then I go to school. Thanks NYX so much for this PR box. I'm so excited to use everything since it is October. I can do like Halloween looks and stuff, so we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. You're probably laughing at me behind your screen, so